I have a sister who was in an accident 2 years ago, and she had a partial amputation of her left hand, so she lost these 4 fingers. She is 2 years younger than me. Her schooling got a little delayed because of the accident, so she's finishing up now her freshman year at VCU studying art. I'm in the Interdisciplinary Senior Design here at Virginia Tech. It's not the typical senior design class you'd go into. You kind of have to already be on a project and get special approval for it. So my roommate Maddie works with the Trek Lab at Virginia Tech, and her advisor, Dr. L, who's the leader of the lab, wanted her to do the senior design interdisciplinary class. And he said that if she could come up with a team and a project, then he'd be happy to sponsor that project for her. This being a humanoid robotics lab, we thought it would be cool to build a prosthetic robotic hand for my sister and make it basically personalized to her. The other 3 members of my team work here in the Trek Lab. Maddie and myself are both in electrical engineering, so we have experience with all the little electronics and hardware and PCBs and stuff. And then the other 2 guys are both in mechanical engineering. We got the project approved, and so now we're in this class. But it's been a cool experience so far. We actually had my sister come down to Virginia Tech from Richmond, and there's a 3D scanning lab in the library, and so we took her there and they had this equipment and they scanned her hand. We're using that not only as a model to hold our product on, since we can't be with her in person very much, but also to actually use it in our CAD and make the pieces that will go on her hand itself be perfectly fit to her and more comfortable that way. My dad is also an engineer, and so he was interested in trying to make some sort of prosthetic hand for her before I even took this class, actually. But that was kind of where that conversation with her started, was actually at home as a family talking about ways we could help her. Full robotic hands are more of an available option, but since she still has her thumb, there really aren't any commercial options to go through for her, and it was something that would improve her quality of life a lot. And having some engineers in the family, we just really wanted to help. So when I brought this idea to school, now we have like a lot more resources to work with, and we're actually seeing a lot more progress.